video will guide you on how to assemble the gate body. Kindly refer to the installation manual to find the corresponding parts. Begin by finding and putting the bottom beam, then placing the middle post and top beam. Use M8 bolts to fix the middle post on the bottom beam and screw in place. Place 40 by 35 mm screw profile into the bottom beam and using M6 screws fix. Don't forget to repeat the same steps on the top beam. Loose the screws of the top beam and remove the top beam. Place the 80 by 20 mm panel one by one. Adjust if necessary to ensure that there is no gap. Install all panels. Repeat the same mounting steps. After completing the installation of the panels, place the top beam on the gate body. Using M6 screws, screw cover plate of top beam and finish screwing in place. Slot cover on and using M6 screws to fix. Kindly note there are 4 side covers for top and bottom beam. Hammering cover into groove profile with a soft-headed hammer. Then all the screws will be hidden. And finally, a charming gate will show in our eyes. Any questions, please contact our team. We are 24/7 online. Thank you for watching.